and reload website again. And you can see the blank space is gone. And the slider fits perfectly at the top. And that's at the top of the page, I want to add a slideshow. If you search for slides in Elementor free version, you will notice that the slider widget is only available in Elementor Pro. Since we are using the free version, so we will create a slideshow using a free plugin. Click on the Hamburg icon and exit to dashboard. Now go to plugins and click on add new and now search for Smart Slider 3. Install the plugin called Smart Slider and after installation click on activate. Once activated, you will see Smart Slider 3 in the dashboard menu. Click on it. If you are a complete beginner, you can watch the tutorial here, but I will skip it and go directly to the dashboard. Now click on New Project, select Create a New Project, choose Slider, and then select Simple Slider. Now you can give any project name here. Keep the width as 1200 and height as 600. Make sure full width layout is selected. Now we will move as the default setting. Now click on Create. Here you can see slide 1 and slide 2. I want to use 3 slides, so I will add one more slide. Click on image to add an image. You can upload images or select from the media library. For the first slide, select one image and click select. Repeat the same process for the second and third image. Now we have 3 slides. To add text on the first slide, click on edit. Then click on the heading icon. Remove the default text and type Explore Pakistan. Increase the font size to around 100 pixels. You can also change the font from typography settings. Now change the text color as per your requirement. To move the text upward, change the position from default to absolute. Once done, click on Save. Now go back to My Project. By default, the slider will not autoplay. So turn on the autoplay option. Change the slide duration from 8000 milliseconds to 4000 milliseconds. Now click on Save. Next go to Pages. Open the home page and click on Edit with Elementor. Click on the plus icon and add a single column section. Inside the section, click on plus icon again and search for Smart Slider. Drag and drop Smart Slider into this section and select My Project and click Insert. Now click on Update. Let's reload the website and you can see slideshow is working perfectly. And is it autoplaying? There is a small website space at the top, so we need to fix that. Go back to the Elementor editor, click on the 6 dots to edit this section. Go to Advanced Settings, unlink the margin values. Set the top margin to -10 pixels. Now click on Update and reload website again. And you can see the blank space is gone. And the slider fits perfectly at the top. And that's it for this video. And the next video we will continue designing the homepage.